Hey, I'm Spike Mendelsohn here in the kitchen with Beyond Meat. And to me, there is nothing better than a perfectly cooked and juicy burger. And today, I'm gonna show you how to cook the classic Beyond Burger. Let's heat things up. All right, time to get through some of our prep. You gotta have a really good lettuce, right? So we're gonna shift and nod this. This is gonna really deliver some really great crisp. What would a classic burger be without a beautiful tomato? We'll just slice those. This will add a little bit of acid to the burger, right? Kind of balance everything out. Onion, we need some aroma, a little bit of a bite to the burger. We're gonna just cut rounds of these. And then you just kind of want to break up these rings, just like that. You can't have a really delicious burger without a secret sauce. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of green mustard, a little relish. The molasses is actually gonna make it feel a little bit more full body to give you a little depth. Add the ketchup in there. Really mix this around. All right, now that we have that simple prep out of the way, we're gonna go fire these bad boys up. Again, you wanna cook these to about 165 degrees, about 3 minutes on each side. You want to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll get a little flip going on here. Oh yeah, look at that nice sear and crunch. You can see all the juices still coming out. We'll get our slices of American, just like that. Cover it up with a pan. All right, looks like our cheese is melted. It's time to build the classic Beyond Burger. We're gonna add some of the shredded lettuce on the bottom. And we're gonna go with a nice, beautiful red tomato. And now we're gonna take the burger patty and just put it on top. You see how we melted that cheese really nice. A little bit of red onion, do some pickles. All right, we're gonna take the secret sauce. I like mine a little extra saucy, so we're gonna go a little bit more. I'm gonna top it off with a toasted bun. Boom. And there you have it, Beyond Burger. Now that you've learned to make the ultimate Beyond Burger, it's your turn. Go to your local grocery store, grab Beyond Burgers in the meat case, and don't forget to log on to beyondmeat.com and find my dope recipes.